All right, guys, so welcome part two. Know what? Part two of this video. Anyway, so tis the season to be ballsy, as you say, and this company they decided to send this to me as a free promotional item to review, and as I said, they say go nuts because it must be ballsy. Anyway, you gotta have stones to open this package, and I guess I must. Anyway, so there is a thing called a ball guard liquid powder. The things they send me, huh? I always welcome you to send me some stuff. So send me some stuff to review. Because usually they're not ballsy enough to send me stuff. Ballsy. Gotta say, this smells pretty good. So what it's got here? We got the ball wash. Keep the junk or the funk off your junk. No.
Likey.